Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to hide the rows on your LibreOffice CAD spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to hide the row in your LibreOffice CAD? For that, first of all, you can just select the row that you just need to hide. For an example, you can see this here, a lot of rows are here. I just need to hide this particular rows. First of all, I just need to select. You can just select anywhere, any cell on the row. So click on this option on the icon on the top. It's a row icon, and just click on this. All the row options are here. Here you can find option called hide row. Click this. You can see the row had been hidden. So the second row after it's showing a 4 or 5. You can just hide a bulk of rows if you don't need it. You can just select it. Same process. You can just right click here. You can also find a lot of options here, or click on the row option on the top, and here you can find it and click it, and you can just hide it. This is how you just hide a row on your LibreOffice Calc. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.